All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fablades in the house, and welcome back to the channel. This is a custom knife sale. I am just going to show you very quickly the size and some specs for these bad boys. These are all full custom knives, and they are all pretty much new, so not used. There's no issues whatsoever going on with these guys, and you can see them more in detail even on Fablades.com. Check out the knife sections. We got also a pretty cool consignment program where you send your knives or fidget toys or whatever you're bored with to us, and we are gonna sell it, and you're gonna get the money. So check that out, and in the meantime you can check out this Eric Ochs Silverworks. This is a big boy. It is a flipper knife, very snappy, with a, I would say, 4¼ inch long blade, Damascus carbon fiber. It is a liner lock with bolster, so beautiful one. Check it out. Next up, actually, let's do this row, because these are the Canadians. This one, guys, this is a truly special one. This is, look at this blade, Anton van der Westhuizen. I hope I didn't butcher the name. This is a Bodica. It is a dragon skin Damascus blade, beautiful frame lock, matching back spacer, and pocket clip. Snappy, custom pivot. You don't see this too often. Steemkamp. I got a couple over here with Damascus bolster, marble carbon fiber scales, matching clip and carbon fiber spacer. Very snappy. There's two of these bad boys. Different blade shapes, same specs. Sean O'Hara, these are the 4 Canadians, the 4 horsemen. Look at this Damascus. You got some bronze carbon fiber. Look at the pocket clip, the file work on the back spacer. Randy Doucette. Some fat carbon in this titanium frame lock with Mokuta. Actually, this is Zirkutai pocket clip and titanium back spacer. Beautifully done. Greg Lightfoot, big boy. I just realized I forgot to show you the size of the blade. I'm just gonna go it at the end, so you get the blade size, Damascus scales, Damascus pocket clip, and Sanmai back spacer, nicely contoured, big boy for sure from Canada. And elegant urban tack from Rod Olson, zirconium scales, and some fancy Mokutai inlays, and button lock, of course, on this Damasteel blade. So let's go quickly in inches, because you guys like inches. For the Olson, we have 3-inch long blade. For Greg Lightfoot, we have 4-inch long blade. Randy Doucette is 3¾ and Sean O'Hara is 3½. Steemkamp is at 3, and the Bodica is at 3¼ You can check the further specs on Fablades.com. These are on sale already. Send me an offer if you would like to offer on these guys. We might have some wiggle room, it depends. Just send us an email and we are going to let you know. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.